What's going on, everybody? This is my 2007 Silverado. It's got an on-3 turbo kit. Today I'm going to do a little bit of maintenance. I'm going to take the manifold off, header wrap that. I think one of my wires is touching and burned it. New wires, new plugs, and we'll see if we can get this thing running really good. Alright, I'm about 20 minutes in. Just got the downpipe off the turbo. Got the oil feed line off. I'm about to take the turbo off. Take the header off. It definitely had some wires touching down there. It's definitely melted. But this is the first time I've had this turbo off the truck since I've put it on 2 years ago. So it's been super reliable, but I mean, this has got 40,000 miles on it. I don't know if you can see that. Let's see if I can get down here. There is zero play in this. I mean, zero play. I mean, I'm really impressed with the turbo. I mean, it's been used every day. I mean, and there's zero play in it. So I'm gonna dig a little deeper. We'll come back in a minute. All right, got the turbo manifold off. I had a little bit of exhaust leak down there. I could hear it when it was cold and it would go away. But I got the header off. So this is what it looks like. I don't know if everybody's seen what the header looks like. But it's kind of a pain in the ass to get to spark plugs and stuff with this on. I've seen other turbo manifolds are a lot easier to do, part of it, but here it is. You can see the exhaust housing there. Everything's working smooth. So I'm going to wrap this up real quick and change the plugs, and we'll get going. Alright, as I expected, these wires just fell apart. I mean, they had been burned through. There's another one in here somewhere that got pretty bad. So those were junk. Just took the spark plugs out. And tips don't look too bad. I want to focus. So this is a stock GM plugs. I'm putting in NGK BR or TR6s. They're a step colder. Alright, just got done wrapping the header. Looking pretty good. Should do what I need it to do. Just pretty much keep the wires from melting off this thing. So it looks like it's doing good. I'm going to put copper spray on the gasket and throw this bad boy on. Right, it's the next day. I got everything back together. Everything's all wrapped up. It's running a lot better now. So I want to do an overview of the motor. So it's a 2007 Classic. It's 4.8 liter. It's a stock 240,000 mile motor that came in the truck. It's never been out. It's stock from oil pan to intake. The fuel system, the only thing I have are 60-pound Deechworks injectors. It's got a catch can, vented. That's another thing with the PVC system on these. When you start boosting them, you're going to blow out gaskets if you don't change it. So it's going to a vented catch can now. Haven't had any issues with that. This is actually a C5 Corvette coolant reservoir. It fits a little better with the turbo. The stock coolant reservoir on the trucks came out here and it gets really close to the turbine. Other than that, if you guys have any questions, just let me know. Appreciate it.